Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to PMDC online lecture room. Today we will discuss the topic ribosome from chapter 1 cell structure and function of first year. The objective of ribosome is to understand structure, types and functions. Introduction of ribosomes. Ribosomes are small organelles found in each type of cell, that is the prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell. They are not membrane-bounded organelles. Discovery of ribosome. Palade was the first person to study them in 1955. Definition of ribosome. Cell have tiny granular structure known as ribosome, or the cell organelle consists of RNA and associated protein found in large number in cytoplasm of the cell. You can say cell organelle consist of protein and RNA and function as protein synthesis. Composition of ribosome. Ribosome. In eukaryotic cell, the ribosome contain equal amount of RNA, that is ribonucleic acid, and protein. That is why they are also called as ribonucleoprotein particles. Structure of ribosome. Ribosomes are made up of two subunits, each of which consists of protein and type of RNA. That is known as ribosomal RNA. As there are three types of RNA, ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA and messenger RNA. So ribosomal RNA is the type of RNA which is present in ribosome. Ribosome have two subunits. One is larger subunit and the second one is smaller subunit. As you can see in the diagram, larger subunit and the smaller subunit. The attachment of two subunits is controlled by magnesium ion. Remember that, and it is important, the two subunits on attachment with each other require magnesium ion. So here ETA MCQ 2009, 10 and 11. Attachment of two subunits of ribosome is controlled by magnesium ion, sodium ion, protein or the ribosomal RNA. And the correct answer is magnesium ions. Polysome. Ribosome attached to the single messenger RNA, that is known as polysome. As you can see in the diagram, there is a single strand of messenger RNA in which so many ribosomes are present. They form a structure and that is known as polysome. Types of ribosome. There are two types of ribosome. One is 70S ribosome, that is in prokaryote, and 80S, that is in eukaryotes. Prokaryotic ribosome are commonly called as 70S ribosome and the eukaryotic ribosome are commonly called as 80S ribosome. Prokaryotic ribosome are smaller and less dense than eukaryotic ribosome. As you can see the diagram, there is the eukaryotic ribosome as well as the prokaryotic ribosome. Eukaryotic ribosome is 80S, in which the smaller subunit is 40S and the larger subunit is 60S. Prokaryotic ribosome is 70S, in which smaller subunit is 30S and larger subunit is 50S. Now what is S? S stands for Svedberg unit, which is used in ultracentrifugation. ETA MCQ 2015. 80S ribosome is formed by the combination of 30S and 40S, 70S and 10S, 50S and 30S, 60S and 40S. And the correct answer is 60S and 40S. ETA MCQ 2009. The size of ribosome in prokaryotic cell is, we already discussed, 40S, 60S, 70S or 80S. The correct answer is 70S. Classification of ribosome. Ribosomes are classified into two major forms, attached form and the free form. Ribosomes which are attached to rough endoplasmic reticulum as tiny granules. The protein assembled in these ribosomes are either transported to outside of cell or included in cell membrane. As you can see in the diagram, ribosomes are attached to endoplasmic reticulum. Second form is free form, that are dispersed in cytosol. These ribosomes are involved in the synthesis of protein that work inside the cytosol. As you can see in the diagram, the red arrow shows the ribosome which are dispersed in the cytosol. What is the function of ribosome? The function of ribosome is the synthesis of different types of protein. Thank you.